What's the meaning of agitato? Agitato. 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 Agitato is an Italian musical term that instructs musicians to play in a style that is agitated or restless. It typically refers to a piece of music that is meant to be performed with a certain level of intensity and urgency, often featuring fast, frenzied tempos and dramatic shifts in dynamics. When played correctly, agitato can create a sense of excitement and tension within the music, stimulating the emotions and engaging the listener's attention. Overall, agitato is a powerful tool for adding drama and intensity to a musical performance.